Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are staying at your home. Also, your third semester exam is over and now we have to think about our fourth semester. We know that we are suffering from such a pandemic situation due to COVID-19 and therefore regular classes are not possible. Colleges are closed everywhere. Still there is a lockdown till 15th of May and chances are there that throughout the summer season there will be a lockdown. Therefore, a only way to go through your fourth semester is, and that is only online teaching. Therefore, today in this video, I am narrating you a syllabus of BA fourth semester compulsory English. We have a same book, the book which was in the third semester, that is the Visionary Glimpses. We know that in third semester we had two essays, two poems and two short stories and some part of grammar. Likewise, in the fourth semester also we have prose section, poetry section. In place of short story section, we have a one act play and grammar and comprehension. Means actually we have 5 units. Out of these 5 units, first 4 units for theoretical examination and the last unit, that is for assignment. Now we are discussing unit wise and the topic wise syllabus. Already I told you that we have a textbook. The name of that textbook is Visionary Glimpses. From this book, Visionary Glimpses, we have first unit, that is a prose section, and in this prose section we have two essays. Very beautiful essays are there. We can think that these are the short stories included in these prose sections. The first is The Doctor's Word, written by very famous short story writer R.K. Narayan. The Doctor's Word is a story giving a description of very strong bond of relationship in between two friends, Dr. Raman and Gopal. Very beautiful story is there. And second is Monday Morning by Mark Twain. Monday Morning is also very beautiful essay narrating the child psychology. For these two essays, we have 20 marks. Means if traditional exam is going on, then 3 questions of 5 mark each, means 5 into 3 is equal to 15, and 5 objective question is carrying 1 mark, 5 marks, 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. This pattern of questions will be same for these first three units. The second unit is about a poetry section. Like third semester, in this semester also we have two poems. The first poem is A Village Schoolmaster by Oliver Goldsmith. It's a very beautiful poem about the remembrance and memories of Oliver Goldsmith's native village, Auburn. It is also remembrance about that school, school friends, classmates and teachers, narrating the character sketch of village schoolmaster. The second poem is Say Not the Struggle Not a Wealth. It is by A.C. Clogg, which giving a description about the life and struggles in every human beings. Like a prose section, this poetry section has also 20 marks. Distribution is the same. Then we have one act play. In third semester, we have seen there were the two short stories. In place of it, now in the fourth semester, we have one act play. The name of that one act play is Abu Hassan Pays His Debates. It is written by Ronald Hadlington. It is a farce. Farce means it is an exaggerated form of comedy. This drama is written for laughter, and numerous humor is portrayed in this one act play. It is a very beautiful one act play. It is also for 20 marks. So far as these three units are there, fourth unit is dedicated to the grammar and composition. In grammar, there are two parts. First is tenses for 5 marks. Some sentence will be given including fill in the blanks, and we have to fill up with the proper tense in that blank spaces, that is the tenses. And second topic of grammar, it is for change the voice, means for tenses 5 marks, for voice 5 marks. And in the title comprehension, there is unseen passage. Any passage would be given. After that passage, there will be a 5 questions. We have to answer that 5 questions. The answer will already be there inside the passage. Each carry 2 marks is equal to 10 marks. Means this unit 4 it is also about 20 marks. In this way, these are the 4 units for 80 marks for your theoretical examination. Then that is the unit 5th, it is only for assignment, and this assignment is taken from conversational skill step of 3rd, and 2 topics for the assignment will be given, and we have to write down that 2 topics in your assignment books and submit to the particular teacher, and that is for 20 marks. In this way, today I have introduced you about our syllabus of 4th semester. Very soon, with the next video, we will start with our actual topic, that is a doctor's word by R.K. Narayan. Till then, okay.